the center manager, divisional manager West, our trainers, dear participants, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bula Binaka, and a very good day to you all. I'm pleased to be here this afternoon and be part of this great event. I was in Bala yesterday to close the similar training for the youths in Bala who went undergoing training in doing flower arrangement, how to make salu-salu, earrings. And I said to them that this training is all about money. What you have learned here and what you are trying to showcase here, it's all money. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is that this is an employment creation. And this is exactly what we want to do with all our youths throughout the country and to empower them so that they can have these employment opportunities. And indeed, it is such a privilege again to officiate in the closing of this all-important training for the youth here in Lautoka. I know all of you are excited to have completed this training and utilizing your skills learned. Screen printing and dye is regarded as a highly skilled work, and for many creative young people, it is a skill that many people aspire to learn. It has benefits that can help an individual as it provides skills that leads to employment, which I've just mentioned to you all. And it is the pathway to create your own employment and through that jobs for others. Screen printing on your own clothes allows you to have a unique wardrobe. I thought it will all be displayed here. I will go and observe, but now I can see how excited you all are in wearing your t-shirts, the color ones. Ladies and gentlemen, Ministry for Youth and Sports have just advertised in yesterday's newspaper to start a business, small-scale businesses. And I urge all of you, because I'm told that you all belong to a registered youth clubs. So maybe not now, but go back, discuss among your members, what are some of the small-scale business that you can start off. And that grant amounts to $5,000 that you can use to start off a small-scale business. And I would like to urge all of you to apply for that grant so that you can start, small-scale businesses. But that's not the end of it. That's just the beginning. But you can expand your business, and ministry will definitely assist you in your progress. So I thought that I will inform all of you on that grant that we have advertised yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, with you here today, I'm confident that this will also help you to be happier and more content human being. And you can have a flow on effect of happiness on those around you. Looking at your beautiful smiles and faces, ladies and gentlemen, I can already see that happiness and calmness. Across Fiji, the Ministry of Youth and Sports has been carrying out similar trainings all over the country for the youth and women alike. We are reaching out to our youths. We are aware that there are youths in certain areas, not only in urban centers, peri-urban, but also in maritime areas, that they need this type of training. And now we are taking this training to their doorsteps. Not now, we have been doing this for the last couple of years. And we would like to continue in doing this so that our youths are empowered. And in doing so, we are empowering women to become income generators for their homes and families. It is the government's effort in ensuring that your rights under the constitutions are protected, and that is your right to economic participation. This gives you the freedom to choose your own work, trade, occupation, profession, or other means of livelihood, and the government will take reasonable measures within its available resources to achieve the progressive realization of each of your rights. The program you have participated in is part of Ministry's plan to include young females into self-employment through skills training. The purpose of this training is so that our young women could start their own small businesses and be trained to be employed by other businesses. So there you go.
On display.
This land for these last 2-3 days. And on top of that, I'm also informing you that there is a grant that you can start your business. So everything is coming towards you. Now it's up to you. And if you are interested, please apply. And if you don't have that address or contact or anything, please get in touch with the divisional manager and our assistant youth officers around here. They will assist you. And they will also assist you how to fill the forms. And that's why we have assistant youth officers on ground, so that you all can be assisted. So ladies and gentlemen, without taking much of your time, once again, I would like to congratulate all of you, and I am very certain that the information that you have through this training is positive and will bring you the joy and happiness through both the creative process and through the income generation opportunities. I could see all of you happy about what you have gone through. But are you people ready for the small scale business? Yes. Okay. Once again, I only take this moment to congratulate you all on the completion of this training, and I know it will be a game changer. So it's all up to you. The ball is in your court. You have to decide where you want to go. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, now I take this great pleasure in declaring the training officially closed. May the good Lord shower His blessing upon you and your families. Vinaka, and thank you.